want to take much of your time, Paul. Maybe just last few closing remarks from you would be appreciated after showing the good performance of Yamadi.
Yeah. I mean, so just very quickly, I mean, obviously, we're in reasonably uncertain times, and our view is that we have a pretty high conviction around income investing, and so that is an area that we like our clients to focus on. I think the demand for income will continue. We've got an aging Asia population, and who also are looking for certain retirement lifestyles, who are wanting income in their portfolios. And so we really want to bring these income solutions to our clients. But in terms of going forward, as I said before, expect the unexpected when it comes to US policy. Stay invested through the cycle and really take advantage of some of these opportunities that are out there currently. Fixed income, particularly high yield bonds, again, we see it as a very good alternative to some of these overvalued stocks that are currently in the market. And again, just be active, be nimble with your portfolios, and get a real good balance of income and returns into your overall portfolios.
Wow, that's great. That's been a great afternoon with you, Paul. I really very much appreciate everything that you said, giving us more information about the fund. Maybe one of these days we can invite you here for a face-to-face discussion, Paul.
That'd be great.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much, Paul, for your insights, and we'll see you again.
Thank you, Marvin. Thanks for the great discussion, and thank you everybody who's been online, and all the best with your investments. Happy to help where I can.
All right. Okay. For the last few, allow me to give you guys my key takeaway from this session. Very interesting discussion, globally discussion, new things that we've learned. Some key takeaways from this afternoon's amid this volatile market. We have seen that this fund can probably give you a very good investment option to add to your portfolio, to your stocks, to your bonds, and more diversified. Because first is that the fund invests in income generating assets, allowing it to deliver high and regular income consistently, delivering dividends in the past. Last year, it did about 6.3% net. Currently, it's doing 6.6 net. And then maybe it will go down. If interest rates go down later, it can go down. But we have discussed that more or less it is stable. It is providing investors with very competitive yields and doing it in different market conditions. Next key takeaway is that it is globally diversified, meaning risks are basically managed. It is invested in different types of asset classes, different investments, different regions in the world. It was explained earlier that it invests in bonds that are not just in the US, but different parts of the world. It invests, that gives you a good fixed income return. It also invests in high dividend equities that is also invested globally. And they have pared down a little bit in the US because of the risk in the US. They are now managing it actively so that they can change the different asset allocation. And then the third asset class that very interesting for us Filipinos is the options writing. That is not available here in this country. And through this fund, you can access that because that is a very large and very liquid market that's explained by Paul earlier. The options writing, it is a derivative, but it is not the risky derivative that people are talking about. It's a derivative that manages the risk of the fund. And it gives you a regular income as well. So that's the second good key takeaway from this session. And the third and the last is that the fund is positioned also for growth in assets that generate capital appreciation over the long term. It just doesn't invest in bonds that has a maturity, fixed maturity, or option that gives you income. It also invests in equities that has capital appreciation. That's a position for growth as well. And Paul has showed the performance of the funds about close to 6-7% fund return, and then only volatility of about 9%. So with that, I hope that you are able to understand and learn things about about this fund. If you want to access these funds, we in the COL fund source in the platform, you can access it in our website and get also our communications from our experts and give you our fund picks. And you can also stay informed with our latest research updates. You can just email us at mutualfunds@colfinancial.com to join our mailing list. And we would like to thank Paul Kalogirou of Manulife Investment Management for today's episode. Again, rest assured that we will continue to monitor this fund and any developments on other markets and provide you with the necessary research and strategies in our website. So once again, thank you. I would like to thank you all for watching this episode. This has been Marvin Fausto, President of COL Investment Management, Inc.